In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make App Tracker Calorie with Flutterflow. We'll start inside Flutterflow by creating a brand new project. First, sign in to your Flutterflow account, then click Create New Project. Choose a blank project so you can build everything from the ground up and keep the app structure clean and customizable. After that, enter your project name and create the project. Once the project is ready, the next step is connecting your database. Open the settings area and connect the app to either Firebase or Supabase, depending on the backend you prefer. This is what will allow your app to store food data and daily user logs. If you want users to sign in and track their own personal calorie history, make sure authentication is enabled as well. Next, create a collection called Foods. This collection will hold the nutritional data for the food items available in your app. Add fields for food name, calories, protein, carbohydrates, fat, and serving size. Keeping these fields organized now will make it much easier to build forms and display useful nutrition information later. After that, create another collection called Daily Logs. This is where each user's daily entries will be saved. Add fields for user ID, food name, calories, meal type, quantity, and date. This structure is important because it allows you to track what was eaten, when it was eaten, and who it belongs to. Now move on to designing the app screens. Create the core pages for the experience, a login page, a home dashboard, food search, add food, daily log, progress, and profile. These screens give your app a complete flow from signing in to reviewing calorie progress. With the main pages in place, build the dashboard, display the user's daily calorie goal, show how many calories they've already consumed, and calculate how many remain. Add a progress bar so users can quickly understand their daily status at a glance. Next, create the food entry system. Build a form using text fields or drop-downs so users can select a food and enter the serving size. Then attach a create document action that saves that entry into the daily logs collection. To show daily history, add a list view and connect it to the daily logs collection. Filter the results so they only show entries for the current user and today's date. In each list item, display the food name, calories, and meal type so the log is easy to scan. Then calculate total calories using Flutterflow backend queries or custom functions. Sum all calories from today's entries. Show that total on the dashboard and also calculate the remaining calories based on the user's daily goal. Finally, preview the app